Hi, my name is Marilisa Wynn. I grew up in Salt Lake City, Utah, where I met and married my awesome husband, Scott. We moved to Arizona 9 years later with our 5 young children. We lived in Scottsdale, Arizona for 23 years, and about a year ago we moved to Lubbock, Texas. However, I do miss the desert trails, hiking Camelback and Tom's Thumb, water skiing at Saguaro Lake and my friends, and the beauty I was surrounded by. West Texas is flat, there's no water, and the weather changes 10 times a day. However, I know this is where my family is supposed to be. We love the small town feel, and the people are genuine and sincere. I'm learning new words and new phrases like "sure enough," "fixin' to," "all ya all," and "if you don't like the weather, wait a minute." I've been married for 32 years and I have 3 girls and 2 boys, 3 amazing son-in-laws and 1 amazing daughter-in-law, and 9 grandchildren who bring me complete joy and happiness. Our ninth granddaughter was born on March 15th, just a few months after this photo was taken. I love spending time with my family, and I have enjoyed many experiences over the last couple years traveling to see them as they live all over in Utah, Arizona, in Minnesota, in Houston, which is 8 hours from Lubbock, Texas, and also a daughter who lived in American Samoa, which I was able to stay for a month with them last year before they moved back to the States. I hope that what I learn in class will help not only benefit me and my life, but my family and all those that I meet, and hope that I can share my knowledge with others. I love to cater. I love coming up with new recipes, and I love developing just a fun menu for large groups. And I like to do it for awards or family reunions or missionary groups, whatever it is. I just have a lot of fun creating a lot of food and making a lot of it for a lot of people. Um, when we moved to Texas, we decided to embrace the culture and to embrace our life here. And we have really enjoyed going to the Texas Tech football games and their basketball games, both the men and the women's, and just have enjoyed the spirit that Texans have for their sports. It has been an exciting time. We have enjoyed and embraced our time here and look forward to what I can learn in this class and hope that I can not only gain information but also be able to share what I learn with others. Thanks for watching my presentation, and I look forward to getting to know you. Thanks. Bye.